Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Study Sensei. In this lesson, we'll prove that if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. So, what do we have? We have a circle with center O and two chords AB and CD such that angle AOB equals angle COD. We need to prove that AB equals CD. Now let's move to the proof. Focus on triangles AOB and COD. OA equals OC. Why? Both are radii of the same circle. Angle AOB equals angle COD. This is given. Angles subtended by chords AB and CD at the center are equal. Finally, OB equals OD. Again, OB and OD are radii of the same circle. We have two pairs of equal corresponding sides, and the included angles are also equal. So, by the SAS criterion for congruence, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now, corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. So, AB equals CD. We are done. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.